sum newspaper pass the side court putting on court person in Hajadus. Howziki do would be Missam la Natraga terrorist la Haibagi the grey area Harley Komana di Madu Missam terrorist in a conclusion people di Nuaroba Adu Mahamada. Ani Shubada Howziki Sina Pakistan terrorist or for example, Nigosum see can Edum Sani Pakistani terrorist or Nata Al Qaeda or Nataga Muzahidin, Nataga Laskara, Itoiba or Taiko of the Gil. I mean a Pulakadra. Actually, question you is one Manico. So Pakistan, India, terrorist city, Ubada, Paraloid, Hadar in Unayadavani. I might on a Pakistan terrorists or about Pakistani terrorists, Nataga Al Qaeda, Nataga Laskari, Toiba, Nataga Toin Haina, Muzahidin. She or about Altagadi, Kujishumina, Arminaga Purakadra. See a big question. I don't know Takbadi, Hauziki, terrorists or Mogasu, Al Qaeda, Nate, Muzahidin, Nate, Pakistan Army Nate, Masidi, Micham terrorist, terrorists. Of course, some terrorists, terrorists, Nati, the Lorum Bushai Moinaco, Aduki Pony, Hamadi terrorists or Gadi, Purakas Hangaro, Katokaps in Tarum, Sinagra Neboka, Adu Hidden Pure, anyway, Maduyam Pay, I want to talk Pay among the color, Aduma Hamada. At Amanamu, Asagi in Puraisi. Missing doing a Saigi, Red Cross Kumba, Adagidi, private ambulance, Purakuna Teboko. Masi, Akogi, Lema Kongi, Indian Army, Moda, Kakenoka, Tauraga, the Gichwak and the River Tobani, Company High never in the car. Puraisi Indian Army, Pur in Epoca. I don't attack with the Indian Army, see terrorists, because it come to recognize Togdabra, Mukam Yaudabra, which is neutral power. Akogi land on Natagadi, Akoy normally international humanitarian law, Geneva regime to hire. For Geneva Convention 1949 to this protocol and do with Indiana sign no question for ratification and India party not at the Geneva and New York law UN the lack law mayam lere and the heck the lack law mayam lere Ada the condition papa those customary can wear a sing body Indian army they're acting as a neutral power law the war law city Kahakanda neutral power level neutral power highway and a protected power kawi Natragana Akoigi Adu later ICRC International Committee on Red Cross Akoigi Kanuki do not take Indian Red Cross Society not take on Warium ICRC International the best over land Matam the guardian of international humanitarian law Man law in the rescue tone was open party in Nimukse Madu combatant OBI combatant Hagadi they have the right to kill each other no may come Hanava land the quick Arjun Kamna Hanarido, Mood Hanabi, they are called combatant. Aduga non combatant, Aduga civilian sing city land Kutabayati. There should be always distinction between a combatant and non combatant and the Aduga civilian distinction. Tangodabani, Aduga military objective and civilian object. Target should be done only to do military objective to achieve some military advantage. Tangodabani, there should be always proportionality. It takes a proportionate way only my target to Gasina fundamental principle. And Hajadi, Indian Army see they are acting as a neutral power and act of Mozi Mayam Kanaraga, anything Maduda Lamai to the Tarakpa, knowing Pina Machine Kanavagi Lamaida, or Shoga Leviseki, low more on the higher combatants to Hexokomikutagi, low than was a horse the combat going. Horse the combated combatant new Eramba, Aduga, they are not unable to fight over Ngamdraba, Stase, Adu horse the combat going. Horse the combat issue. Land the combatant is over, horse the combatant or Matamda, and say, Moyman's wounded and 16 collect or medical treatment, bigger than ever. See the low the Lazibo. Second World War, the Suadu talk the war crime going. I do talk the violation of law in the customer war by the doing in the humanitarian law, Makada, the punishable offense name. Masagi treatment, Peter Vodo to punishable name. I do Togoda his signorina, the Indian Army in a Red Cross type, act over. Whether they acting just like ICRC or whether they acting as a neutral power, whether they acting as a protected power. I mean, war and land Yautaba. I do land Sorks Henry Dunan and how a battle of Solfenia at Arthurumzani. I mean, the Torre, I do a big question with Sima. The Anisubada doctor is problems lazy. Hippocratic oath kind of car. The medical World Medical Association, medical ethics, the Indian Medical Association medical ethics. Ada the Quinum Pabasida, doctor Gidimagi paramount consideration, important duty, me life shape to Bushinev, Aduga, Nasai injuries into treat to doctor duty, I do them possible. I hang the Gibuda. Maduda, was the Kituna, Yam Pazaba principally, the Muzahidin the Mutit out there. Pakistani terrorists, they never touch. wari boba adugi poni aduna hida koina moi distinction ama tawre masidi adu doctor da koina haru di yaro kaino moi di khang dia kaneba we are treating just patient and ubu the treatment people haini tawdabu sida legal complication khala complication di mase khoi gi kaino yawbani hayeng aseng badi si law da ga di procedure hum follow tawgadabani amana khoi gi medical neutrality hadana moi principle yawbani hypocritic O2 yawbani medical neutrality di doctor ge primary duty se life si save to bose adu elevate akoi suffering to bose my duty ni irrespective of any group anything hostility kai ming na to ga yawjabane bako adu madi laire no doubt laire ga su akoi na khangbi du se international humanitarian law ge makha da su war tawna bada war tawna ri basing asu open border party do treatment pigadab ne lebe ko adu makti khoi ude na ka su ko madu ma khoi na khangbi tare madu medical ethics yawbani world medical association medical ethics aloirana indian medical association gi adu emergency treatment ga piba yam phajab poni amana mu lai sina khoi gi legal gi complication khar le thalawna treatment do pirama thak tok ta adi hendara ga di khoi law da kai hai kan da khoi anti terrorism law har le ri ba ko khudam ha aina paije se India anti terrorism law ga maruina law si akoi unlawful activity prevention 1967 se adu the provision khar yauri kari no hakanda terrorist support tawba aduga terrorist tu mafam du da lolan kholan dana akoi pana pi harboring edo aduna hayeng soira ga di yam sangdana my treatment de loira ga di yes humanitarian ground mo treatment tawre thadokro loy adu
thado ko rana traga hojike har bajima moise nongoi kapna bor violence act chene haiba tar gadi hojiki medical treatment people na moigi maral do ngakpi re hana logdor bana traga moigi criminal activity to gi responsibility matung inna moigi mathakte action lokhatpadi yar bra masi reisra moi chenera matar gadi security force na laga laing batar ga hek phaglak pa moigi mathakte investigation to
adu aina thadok bai duna doctor oina magi responsibility je karam kan end oigada ge loigada ge har kanda emergency treatment pire moibu life save tawre adai da doctor du loire makha ta na ga leithar na tawdu yaro adu ta ga di anti terrorism law gi unlawful activity prevention ki akoi gi supporting the terrorists or harboring the terrorists ta doctor du su legal complication ma lakpa ya haibani da adu gi potuma moina husari section thorang tawbi tare aga next na akoi gi leiri akoi gi masina kaino reporting and security protocol koi reporting security protocol di sibudi report taw to siani army pura ni adu reporting lorse ma adum ma criminal ma doctor nu treat tawrani ma di patient du treat tawbani na ko okay tawbani taw ta su ma report tawbani adu normally sagi ma se crime da chena ba involvement of crime no mu pa di phaya india da kana arms lebani arms section 25 arms 1950 ma kha da who are bearing arms they are violating the law adun arms section 20 ma kha dum pha yare pha ge di terrorist tu ga na oje unlawful activity prevention ek ma kha pha yare natraga section 113 of koi birthday night san tai ma kha da koi terrorist ek ma kha da pha yare natraga na koi gi unlawful activity prevention ek section 15 da define tawre terrorist ek 16 ma kha da pha yare pha ba ya yare numi pa sa pudu pha gi ro aduna reporting and the security protocol ma tungina doctors report tawrani this are criminal ni hire ni ko natraga na sien gare in treatment pin matung da de ba ga hire ni adu natraga na akoi security na khudakta ma du phara ne ba ko aduna security protocol ko doctor gi di phan madu mai thabuk na te treatment tawre doctor thabuk lore tumin le dong no sa kharo natraga lobi ro hire ni adu matung da security matung whether they are involved in the crime natra nungoi paibra aini yada na hana amai pharan amai to adu to bitare aduna masiam lui aduga doctor gi ngai gi premises ta thugai ba yangai ba mo bong kapa tiar gas kapa in khambada this only happen in manipur aduni sibu tongna bro adu emergency gi mamang du da emergency dia thu kai siga do pukhlak short to ma pukhlak jaga du da army mayam nu thomjan to ain khambada they are this protocol medical protocol thugai ra bani army sing do
patient da yam khudong cha da ba thengna re ha ba si moi site ge ha
indian army boy assam for manu police boy they violate koi hospital gi koi ka hetare standard protocol thugai ra bani moi masi liable ni aduga akoi medical personnel sing doctor da nurse da koi threat to ta ga di anobo law abani healthcare professional and clinical establishment prohibition of violence in the damages to property ka no la khamne ko masi su laire aduga aina losalakpada phasa ngai thamning si ama khangna ina haye tor modu sini akoi hujiki sida modu akoi na muni yengbi tare aduga akoi da aseng mode case ke su leibri praman da katara case kana doctor gi duty si even kano bokta akoi lambi maya da mi taram bokta ma di dum hingan biu hain mai thabak si akoi calling hain profession bo haidre ne boko masi myam de khoi na khang bi tare aduga yam luri si da ina amakatang haining ba kaino kan sina army act assample act cpf act tamam define tawri si tam je kaino enemy enemy or enemy yekna ba dusman ko hai dusman si da yaw si include all armed mutineers, armed rebels, armed rioters, pirate, and any person in arms against whom it is duty of any person subject to military law and high. Sina katang amu army act sina katang kanu oi. Ado assample act yenga di yung enemy include into the last the terrorist have you terrorist isu enemy ni high ri. Ata di terrorist mo ina asing mo di order da quality terrorist hai ga di akoi kanu na te ko aina lakthokpa terrorist organization lakthoga unlawful activity prevention eki makhada schedule the terrorist organization lakthopa na te ko terrorist hai di mana taw ek to terrorist ek tawba mi hatpa mi phaba nongoi kapa mi yumai thaba misam manga kakpa du musing terrorist ka weba ko adu ega di dia enemy ni adu mathakta moibu solakpa de kan madu di yam phajare lo war de yenga adu nataba di moisi Dandi pigadabani dandi di encounter on the spot.
Under the new criminal act
on encounter on the spot. Spot ta moibu army na magi pai ba khulai assample magi pai no mai duna ka kodam ne ka pa moju adai da hato kodam ne hato pai di lo na hato ni ko warning am pini surrender ta wan ya da ka kodam adugi lo cha thagadabani adu moi khida purak pasidi khoi sida khatang complication khoi da kijabam le tawrisi yone te aduna militant oram ta ga di moi humdu angang amusu yawni sei tramanga khabar ma trangai khabar ma tai pai
mathab lak